everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I want to talk about a brand for which I got some of the products some time back, and again I received some of the products, and I love that brand. That was the first time I used the products from the brand and I literally fell in love. I'm talking about the brand called Pilgrim. So this time I got 3 of these products. So it's basically a regime that you follow for the night time. So it has 3 different products that you have to follow in a sequence in order to get a better results for your skin. The best part about it, it's fine for both women and men, and also it works great for all different type of skin tones. Also, I want to talk about the best thing about it. It's paraben free, it's chemical free, it's mineral oil free, which are very harmful for our skin. So let's talk about the very first product, which is their red wine face cream SPF 30. So that is how it looks like. This is their red wine range, and we all know the benefits of wine. It works great for your skin, it works great for your hair also, and the entire range is based on the benefits of wine. And this particular product retails for 550, and it has vitamin C and rosehip oil. This is 550 grams of the product, okay. And the main ingredient to these one is your rosehip oil, wine, aloe, and it has some glycol, and it has sodium, okay, and yeah, many products which are listed here. So basically this is something that you apply on your face before you off to sleep, and it smells really good. I'm telling you, last time also the products which I received from them, they were like amazing. I literally fell in love. I use their body butter like anything, and the texture of this one is pretty thick one. It works great to keep your skin nourished for the whole night. It works like a night mask. You apply it, and morning when you get up, you get a very supple, soft, and baby soft sort of skin. So yeah, you can look at the texture. It is thick. So you can literally massage your face for about 5 minutes, and that helps in increasing the blood circulation also, which eventually shows up on your face, on your skin, making it look really healthy. So yeah, and it smells really good. I'm not even kidding. I wish I could make you smell this right now through the camera. But it is really good, and it feels soft, gentle, nice. Yeah, that's the first product. The next product which I have is the face wash. I'm sorry, I'm not talking about it in a proper sequence, but basically face wash is the first product that you should be using, and it is red wine face wash. Again, it has vitamin C and it has aloe. This is 100 ml of the product. Again, it works great for all kind of skin, and again, no sulfate, no paraben, no mineral oil, and this retails for 350 rupees, and that's how the packaging looks like. I really like the packaging. It feels sturdy, okay, so it's not flimsy, and it feels travel friendly. This is something you just open it from here, and you have your face wash, you pop it out, and you're good to go. Again, all products smell same, great, honestly, and it again has the same kind of ingredients, what you see. They all are made in India, which we should be proud about. And yeah, that's the second product, and it's a nice one. So you can, after your whole hectic day, you definitely remember to take off your makeup, which is very essential. Wash your face, and then you have another product as a toner. You can use that, and then the next product is the moisturizer that you should be using, and off to sleep. Yeah, so that is the second product, and it retails for 350. Moving on to the last product which I just mentioned, it is their facial mist and toner, and I love facial mist. The reason is it just instantly freshen up your face, and if you're out, you feel sweaty and little bit dirty or something, you have been out in sun for a very long time and you have to reach out somewhere, you want to look fresh immediately. facial mist come really handy. This is something you should always carry in your bag, because you know they just help you to clean out the dirt immediately from your face. Like you can just spray it and wipe your face if you want to. Otherwise, if you don't want to, you can just spray it immediately on your face. It gives very refreshing feeling to your skin, and the skin again looks very, you know, nice, subtle. So I love using facial mist. And this is again their red wine facial mist and toner, and again it has aloe and it has another product which is vitamin B3, okay, and works good for all kind of skin textures, and it retails for 300 rupees. And that is how it looks like. And let me just spray something on my face again. Yeah, since it smells so good, it feels so good, like, you know, automatically on your skin. And you just let it sit on your face for about a minute, let it air dry. There's no need to wipe it out, and it helps to make your makeup also look fresh. So if you're wearing a makeup, no worries, you can still, you know, just spray it on your skin. No makeup, then also you can do it. So facial mist is something that I love it, and it just helps you to feel rejuvenated skin, instantly hydrates, tighten up your pores, refreshes your skin. Yeah, and it gives a subtle kind of glow also. You know, the something when somebody looks at you and feel like, you know, oh, the skin looks so fresh. So that's what the facial mist do. And yeah, so I really love the Pilgrim products. That was the first time when I used these products about, you know, I think 4-5 months ago, and I really loved all their products. And this time I am trying their skincare range. Earlier it was more about the body care range, and this time it's about their skincare, and I'm sure I'm gonna love it too. And all the products are available on Amazon. I think they're available on Nykaa also. Plus they have their own website. You can go and check it out. I'm gonna leave the website link in the description box below. So make sure you check it out, and you can check it out on Amazon also. They do have a night care regime series, plus they do have a series for your daily morning regime also. So if you are somebody who loves to follow a regime in the morning, you can check out their morning routine. And if you somebody who loves to use the nighttime skincare routine, these are the products for you. I am someone who is very lazy to follow any nighttime regime, but I think it is very essential, because that is the time you are literally stressed free. You are not thinking about anything, and when you're when you are sleeping, automatically all the organs are in the resting mode and the body is functioning properly. So nighttime regime is something really important, because next morning when you get up with a fresh skin. I know it takes time to develop this habit, but if you do it, it is definitely beneficial in a longer run. So let's try to do it from today onwards. I'm gonna follow my nighttime regime using these Pilgrim products, and I would suggest you guys also start doing it. If you already have your Holy Grail products, go ahead, start doing it. There's no harm in trying new products also. But if you are new to this and you are planning to start your nighttime regime, start it with me with the Pilgrim products. Yeah, let's do this, and let's see the changes we get in our skin over the period. And yeah, that is all about it today, guys. I dropped something as usual. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on my Instagram. This is where I am the most active. Not very, comparatively not very active on my YouTube channel. I know a lot of you people say why I'm missing, why I don't post more videos on YouTube. It's because of a very tight work schedule, like literally no time, like literally. And I feel and I know YouTube needs a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of dedication. So yeah, but I am very much active on my Instagram, where I talk about different new products. I create a lot of fashion content there. I talk about my daily life, routine, everything. So I hope you guys will follow me there. My Instagram details will be there on the screen. So make sure you do that. And yeah. that's all about it. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Let me know what are your plans. I purposely wore this pink dress today. I'm not somebody who who religiously follow Valentine's Day, but I thought let's wear it for the video. Let me know what you think about this color. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and have a great day ahead. Bye.